Hello, Leanne in Adelaide. Back with another garden project. These pine grass, got one there, one over there, one off to the side, probably off camera. I'm going to cut down all of these smaller ones that are looking really raggy, allowing all these small ones here to grow through. Right, so there's a lot of foliage down here. I need to cut that up a bit. I'm going to take it down the side of the house to where our green bin is. So I'll do that in stages. The actual garden itself now, just cutting back those scrawnier, taller ones, it's made the garden look more open and a little bit on the bare side, I've got to admit. I did end up with one scratch there, so I'll go and clean that up in a moment. Not really liking the bareness behind with the bamboo there. It's quite thin. I'm not liking that, and just overall, I don't know, the garden just looks a bit blur. I think the fact that the foliage, a lot of the foliage is all around the same level and there's nothing, you know, really standing out. It would look a lot better once the palms actually start to grow a bit. So you can see the foliage there and there and behind. I'll just come around so you can see there is one behind those two hibiscus plants. And then you've got some smaller ones in that little area in front. And then moving on to this one that's just here. That one there's a golden cane palm, so that won't get the height of the other ones, which are all the bungalows. There's another golden cane palm here, not far behind the water feature. Moving across, this one here in the corner, surrounded by all the rubbish at the moment. That one is also a golden cane palm. So I'm going to, now I've removed all that foliage, I'm going to reassess and work out what to do there. So that's another garden project done. Hoping to see these remaining toad grass all shoot up and provide a bit more height, and perhaps a bit more dense foliage will make a bit more growth. I'll change my opinion about how this part of the garden is looking. So goodbye from Leanne in Adelaide after another very short garden project.